Good morning, this is Aaron of Palmview Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to reserve a deluxe room for June 15 to June 17 under the name of Renz Pasumbal.
Of course, sir. May I confirm how many guests will be staying and do you have any special request?
Just me, and I prefer a non-smoking room, please.
Got it. Your deluxe room is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. We look forward to your stay. Just wait, please. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Palmview Hotel. May I have your name, please?
Renz Pasumbal, and I have a reservation.
Yes, I have your booking. May I have your ID and have you filled out this registration form?
Okay, sure.
Let me check this. Thank you, sir. One deluxe room, non-smoking. Here's your key card for room 305. Checkout is at 12 noon.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I'll assist you with your luggage. Please follow me.
Okay, thank you.
Is there anything else can I help you with?
Nothing.
Just don't hesitate to call me whenever you need something.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I need a room for tonight.
Let me check availability. I'm really sorry, sir. We are fully booked tonight.
What? I didn't expect that. I came all the way from Manila.
I understand, sir. One moment, please.
Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. There's partner hotel nearby with available rooms. We can help book a room and arrange transportation.
Well, alright. I appreciate the help. Thank you.
I'll call our partner hotel now, sir.
Good morning. I'd like to check out room 408.
Certainly, sir. May I have your key card? I'll just ask housekeeping to verify the room. Please inspect the room 408.
Yes, sir. Sir, one towel seems to be missing from the room. Wait, what? I didn't take anything.
Let's check the housekeeping and verify the inventory, sir.
Let's handle this fairly. Sandrex, please double check.
Okay, sir.
Apologies, sir. One towel was found in the cabinet and all items accounted for.
Thank you for your patience, sir. Here is your receipt. We hope to welcome you again soon.
Thank you. Dismiss the mix up and have a great day.
And hospitality challenges are part of the job.
But with teamwork, patience, and professionalism,
Every guest can have a smooth stay.
Thank you for watching.